So here we are at the Ranger, our new 2022 Ranger. I'm really happy with it. But in order to quickly and easily hook up a charger to the battery, which we do when it's not running, you have to pull the seat up. The battery's down underneath the seat. You got to yank the seat up and everything else. So, as I have done with other machines in the past, I made up a cord like this, which is simply one of those connectors, right? And then round ring terminals to hook onto the battery. I rig it all up, and it works really well. However, the other day, I'm playing around, and son of a gun, if I didn't find this. It was on, I guess it's everywhere. I got this off Amazon. But this is a surface mount. You see, it's got a round plate with 4 holes. And look what's on it. There's your connector for your charger, just like that. It has really well molded and heavy 10-gauge wires. Now, I couldn't find one that came with ring terminals, so I put ring terminals on to connect to the battery. And I don't know about all you folks, but whenever I put on these ring terminals, any kind of these terminals, you know, these are those clip-on ones, crimp, whatever you call it, crimp. And I have the proper tools. I crimp them on. I solder them. I always solder them. These machines are in the mud, water, hot, cold, lots of vibration. I don't need the aggravation of doing the same job 2 or 3 times. So I solder them on. So there you go. Perfect. I'm going to install this right now and I'll show you how it looks. I'm so pleased with this. But there's the new charging port. Hey, look at that. Can't even see it. Tuck that down, perfectly safe, ready to charge. Stick it in. And it's, I think most of you guys know it's pretty simple to hook it up. Red wire goes to the positive terminal, and the black wire goes to the negative terminal. Just that simple. Maybe there's something in there for you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.